Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a weekly vlog, so I'm going to vlog everything that I'm doing this week and like show you guys how my week goes. So today is more of a chill day. I just woke up, like did some homework already, so now I'm about to go out with my brother, my sister and my dad. And yeah, when we get to where we're going, I'll show you some clips and all that stuff. So this video is going to be exciting, hopefully, and hope you guys really get an idea of what my life is and what I do on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. So welcome to today's vlog. Yesterday was a fun day, but today we have serious stuff to do. So I'm going to school today and my voice is low because I don't want to wake anyone up. It's like 5:55 in the morning. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to school today. So I live in Maryland, right? My school's in Virginia, and don't ask me why, because that's another story on its own. But anyways, it's like 40 to 45 minute drive from here, but because of traffic I usually leave very early. So I have class by 8 a.m, but I leave my house by like 6 just to beat the traffic and just be there early in general. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I think it's almost 6 o'clock, so I should probably start going. I'll see you guys when I get to school. Bye. So yeah, about Wednesday. So Wednesday was just one of those days where I just woke up really tired. I woke up with a headache and I also woke up late, so I couldn't really do much. So I didn't go to school today, which was good, but then still I just wanted to do something today because I woke up late, and by late I mean I woke up around 11 o'clock. I couldn't do those stuff, so I have to move them to another day. But anyways, today I went to work and I just got back from work, so which is why I'm filming this video, because if I don't give you guys this update right now, then probably I'll have to do it tomorrow, which isn't nice because this is supposed to be a daily vlog. Anyways, I just want to tell you that today I'm sorry for not showing you what I did, because today I didn't really do anything, or I did stuff, but anyways, I'm trying to say is that I just wasn't really feeling it today, not gonna lie. Yeah, so I just exercised today, which was good, and I went to work and now I'm back. So when I get into the house now, I'm just going to watch some videos, I think, watch some YouTube videos, relax, chill. And then tomorrow I have a busy day because I'm going to school and have to work after that. But anyways, yeah, so this is all for Wednesday. Nothing really much happened today, and as you can tell already from this video, my life is very simple. It's nothing too much, nothing glamorous or extravagant, So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow and stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. So it is 7:15 now and I'm in school, thank God. But as you can see, I am relaxing in my back seat, and that is because I am extremely tired. I can feel a headache coming already. I didn't get much sleep yesterday, and as usual I had to wake up 5 a.m. today, get ready, drive 45 minutes, and I'm here. But I got here early, which is good, so I'm just going to relax a bit. I'm using this as my as a kind of a support for my head, I guess, and then I'm using my jacket to cover my legs. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now. I need some rest. Oh gosh, I'll probably stay here for like 10 minutes and then I'll go back. I'll go into the classroom. But yeah, the life of a student. Happy Thursday. So I'm at work right now, and as you can tell, I work a lot. I work like 4 or 5 days a week, depends. But I just got back from Wendy's because I'm on my break, and I got nuggets, which I probably won't eat. Maybe I'll give it out to somebody. I got fries and a chicken sandwich, and I'm about to eat right now because I am hungry and I am starving. Can you believe this is like my actual first meal of the day? Like for real, I haven't like actually had anything to eat today. Like I had Pringles, which I bought at work, but Pringles isn't food, so this is my actual meal of the day, which is pretty sad. Like, it's so busy. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm just going to eat my food and then get back to work. My days are very simple. I don't really do much. But yeah, this is the end of this clip. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Welcome to the weekend. Today is Friday, and as you can see, I am wearing my scrubs because today I have clinicals. So clinicals are for 12 hours today, from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So that's 12 hours. And for clinicals, we do like, it's almost like practical. So the stuff that you learn in class, you get to practice it, get some experience. You can do your clinicals at a hospital, or you can do your clinicals on campus. For this session, I'm doing my own on campus because I wasn't able to get a clinical site for a hospital. But yeah, today is going to be a long day because again, it's 12 hours at school. That's a pretty long day, and let me just show you guys what my whole scrubs looks like. So this is what my uniform looks like. So I'm gonna make my way to school now, and I'll see you guys probably at the end of the day. Hey guys, I'm home now, and guess what? I have my Fashion Nova package. So I got some jeans from Fashion Nova and they fit awesome. But then I got mine in a size 9. But the thing about the Fashion Nova jeans is that like it fits right, but then the waist part is like tiny. Not tiny, it's like small. So I need to like work on my midsection, I guess, so it can fit better. But anyways, I'll show you guys a clip of one of the jeans. But yeah, my package is here and I'm happy. I'm glad I actually have Fashion Nova jeans, and these jeans are actually good. So that's all for today. Today was a busy day. Did clinical work, practice, what did we do? Foley care, IV insertion, worked on a case study. We practiced like a head-to-toe assessment. It was just a busy day in general, and tomorrow I have to do it again because usually the clinicals are like once every week. Because I missed the one for last week because it snowed, I have to make it up tomorrow. So I have to go back to school tomorrow, stay for around 12 hours, do everything again, and then come back home. So tomorrow is going to be another long day. I'm just going to eat, maybe watch TV, watch TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and then sleep because I have a long day tomorrow. But yeah, this is the end of my video for today. These are the 2 jeans. I got 3 pair of jeans. So I got black, and I got like dark blue, and the ones I'm wearing right now are like light blue. But I'll show you like an actual clip of it now. I took spaghetti. I'll do my food. Bye bye. Yes. This is me. I'm almost
Turn right
home.
onto Lincoln Street.
It's been a very long day. I'm telling you guys, it has been an extremely long day for me, and I'm glad to be going home. Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So today's Sunday. I just came back from work. It's past 2 p.m. I went to work at 7 a.m. in the morning. So as you can see, sort of, it's snowing already. It just started snowing. So I'm about to raise my wipers. My brother is going to show me how to do it, so that way when it snows and there's ice, your wipers don't get stuck to your windshield and all that stuff you do. But yeah, come and help me please now. There's my nice car. Wait, let me do it very well. This, what am I doing? No. That's my car, my beautiful car. Show me how to do it, please, Kaidi. Show me how. Wait, so is that easy?